Hey guys, welcome to my channel Technology in the Future. Samsung will launch its upcoming Galaxy Note is going to be the 21 FE version of the series. The company is speculated to be planning on introducing a new smartphone this year, and it would be its business flagship smartphone, the Samsung Galaxy Note21 FE called the Fan Edition. This flagship handset will be powered by one of the latest and powerful chipset. Once again, we are here with exclusive and stunning news from the South Korean giant for its future flagship. Yes, today in this video you are going to watch Samsung Galaxy Note21 FE 2021 introduction and unboxing look from a reliable source, the last of the Mohicans. Samsung Galaxy Note21 FE in beautiful renders with the unboxing. Samsung Galaxy Note21 FE could be the latest in the Galaxy Note 9. Published specifications and details renders of the Samsung Galaxy Note21 Fan Edition exclusively on the network. Don't go anywhere. Please watch the full video content. For more than a month, conflicting information has been circulating on the network about whether we should still wait for the Galaxy Note series smartphone or whether Samsung has already safely buried the line. According to recent report, the Galaxy Note 20 will not be the last in the lineup and we may still see the Galaxy Note 20 FE. Meanwhile, the good resource Let's Go Digital has published a new collection of details about the Galaxy Note21 Fan Edition, ending high-quality images with a colorful and romantic unboxing for Valentine's Day. The renders were created by Italian designer Sanorin, who joined the Let's Go Digital team some time ago. According to the source, the fan model Galaxy Note21 Fan Edition really has a chance to exist and is likely to inherit a number of features of the new Galaxy S21, including the characteristic camera block on the back. Unlike the Galaxy S21 Ultra, here we will see a stylus in the kit and a slot for it will remain in the case. The S Pen can be expected in the standard Note 20 version, not the Note 20 Ultra, with a latency of 26 ms rather than 9 ms. The smartphone will receive the latest One UI 3.1 shell with Android 11. But the hardware platform may remain last year Exynos 990 for the international market and Snapdragon 865 for the US. Also noteworthy is a 6.5-inch screen. The Note 21 FE is fueled with a 4500 mAh battery, which we also know will support fast battery charging. Other phone specifications, future price, and exact launch date of the smartphone are not officially disclosed. So this is information about the Samsung Galaxy Note 21 FE. Connected for more updates and please subscribe to our channel and also click the bell icon button. You will take care of yourself. We will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.